वह अभी चाय बना रही है। शी इज़ मेकिंग टी राइट नाउ। शी इज़ मेकिंग टी राइट नाउ। वे बगीचे में खेल रहे थे। दे वर प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन। दे वर प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन। तुम्हें थोड़ा आराम करना चाहिए। यू शुड टेक सम रेस्ट। यू शुड टेक सम रेस्ट। उसने पहले ही दोपहर का खाना खा लिया है। He has already eaten lunch. He has already eaten lunch. हम आज वहाँ नहीं जा रहे हैं। We are not going there today. We are not going there today. क्या तुम इस बैग में मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me with this bag? Can you help me with this bag? मुझे यह मौसम पसंद नहीं है। I don't like this weather. I don't like this weather. क्या वह पार्टी में आएगी? Will she come to the party? Will she come to the party? मैं एक फिल्म देख रहा था। I was watching a movie. I was watching a movie. हम 1 घंटे से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। We have been waiting for an hour. We have been waiting for an hour. क्या मैं आपका फ़ोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? वह ज़ोर से नहीं बोलता। He doesn't speak loudly. He doesn't speak loudly. वह कल ठीक महसूस नहीं कर रही थी। She was not feeling well yesterday. She was not feeling well yesterday. तुम्हें नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। You must follow the rules. You must follow the rules. वे बस से स्कूल जाते हैं। They go to school by bus. They go to school by bus. मुझे इसमें रुचि नहीं है। I am not interested in this. I am not interested in this. तुम क्यों रो रहे थे? Why were you crying? Why were you crying? वह बहुत होशियार और विनम्र है। He is very smart and polite. He is very smart and polite. वह इसे आसानी से सुलझा सकती है। She can solve this easily. She can solve this easily. तुम्हें कॉफ़ी पसंद है या चाय? Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea? हम कल रात कहीं नहीं गए। We didn't go anywhere last night. We didn't go anywhere last night. क्या उसने होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है? Has she completed the homework? Has she completed the homework? शायद मैं शाम को बाहर जाऊं। I might go out in the evening. I might go out in the evening. वे इससे सहमत नहीं होंगे। They won't agree to this. They won't agree to this. वह हमेशा सच बोलता है। He always tells the truth. He always tells the truth. मुझे तुम्हें बताना चाहिए था। I should have informed you. I should have informed you. वह किसी से बात नहीं कर रही है। She is not talking to anyone. She is not talking to anyone. क्या वे खेल देख रहे थे? Were they watching the game? Were they watching the game? यहाँ शोर मत करो। Don't make noise here. Don't make noise here. फिर से बारिश शुरू हो गई है। It has started raining again. It has started raining again. तुम्हें जल्दी आना था। You were supposed to come early. You were supposed to come early. मुझे अब जाना ही होगा। I must leave now. I must leave now. क्या वह तुम्हारे घर के पास रहता है? Does he live near your house? Does he live near your house? हम पहले वहाँ जा चुके थे। We had gone there before. We had gone there before. वह उसका इंतज़ार करती रही। She kept waiting for him. She kept waiting for him. आओ थोड़ा ब्रेक लें। Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. वह यह नहीं कर पाएगा। He won't be able to do this. He won't be able to do this. मैं रोज़ क्रिकेट खेलता था। I used to play cricket daily. I used to play cricket daily. तुमने मुझे कॉल क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? उसने अपना काम खत्म कर लिया था। He had finished his work. He had finished his work. तुम बहुत थके हुए लग रहे हो। You look very tired. You look very tired. क्या हम टहलने चलें? Shall we go for a walk? Shall we go for a walk? वह बहुत विनम्रता से बोलती है। She speaks very politely. She speaks very politely. मैंने तुमसे यह उम्मीद नहीं की थी। I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this from you. कृपया फिर से देर मत करना। Please don't be late again. Please don't be late again. तुम कब से इंतज़ार कर रहे हो? How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? यह बहुत अंधेरा है। It is very dark. It is very dark. मैं बाहर इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। I am waiting outside. I am waiting outside. तुम नहीं सुन रहे हो। You are not listening. You are not listening. वह शायद ही कभी अपने गांव जाता है। He rarely visits his hometown. He rarely visits his hometown. मुझे यह एक बार आजमाने दो। Let me try this once. Let me try this once. क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? हमें फिल्म पसंद नहीं आई। We didn't like the movie. We didn't like the movie. उसकी चिंता मत करो। Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. तुम कल कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? उसने मुझसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोला। He never lied to me. He never lied to me. इसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनता। This doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense. कृपया धीरे बोलो। Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. मेरा बात करने का मन नहीं है। I am not in the mood to talk. I am not in the mood to talk. क्या यह तुम्हारा विचार था? Was it your idea? Was it your idea? हमें अब निकलना चाहिए। We should leave now. We should leave now. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. शायद वह सो रहा हो. He might be sleeping. He might be sleeping. बेवजह झगड़ रहे हो. They are fighting over nothing. They are fighting over nothing. यह एक अच्छा निर्णय था. It was a good decision. It was a good decision. उसने अभी तक जवाब नहीं दिया है. She hasn't replied it. She hasn't replied it. आओ समय बर्बाद ना करें. Let's not waste time. Let's not waste time. वह कभी किसी की मदद नहीं करता. He never helps anyone. He never helps anyone. जैसा तुम चाहो वैसा करो. Do as you wish. Do as you wish. हम बस तुम्हारे बारे में बात कर रहे थे. We were just talking about you. We were just talking about you. वह रोज यहाँ आता था. He used to come here daily. He used to come here daily. वह बहुत अच्छा नृत्य कर सकती है. She can dance really well. She can dance really well. मुझे कॉल करना मत भूलना. Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. क्या वह तुमसे नाराज था? Was he angry with you? Was he angry with you? मैं यह जगह पहले देख चुका हूँ. I have seen this place before. I have seen this place before.